Hey guys, long time no see. Today we are gonna ride bike on the construction site. Yes, not that one across the street. We're gonna go to that one. So let's get started. 3, 2, 1. So we are going to the construction site. Hope there's nobody working there, because if not, then we'll just go do something different. So, hold up, the gears messed up. Let me fix it. Yup. Had to fix some there, but we're on the road. It's blocked in. Gonna have to find another place to ride our bike at, because sorry you guys haven't seen me. I was at camp, summer camp, and it's been like months since I've been out here. So yeah, so we're gonna go on this trail, and if I fall, I'll make sure I put some, whatever. Let's just go. We're about to head to the dirt. I'll see you guys. Oh, you know what? 3, 2, 1. We're there. People working there. I'm gonna come back another time. I'm supposed to pass seeing these people. These people are doing a whole bunch of stuff. They're working. Hold up. Let's see what the people say if I go by. So we're gonna. Let's see what they say. I'm trying to protect people also. We're gonna see what they say about me being out here. So let's just ride until they say something. I don't know, so that's all people here before, so maybe I might give it a go. This is a different area. I only went on this area because the other one was digged up, and I like riding on dirt. It's just fun. It's fun, you know? So we're gonna get going. And right now people are working on here. So let's see. I'm on the dirt. Construction site. We're on the dirt. And people are gonna say something to me anyways. People are still working. I was up at 7. It feels like it's 5 o'clock. Hold up. I'm gonna go talk to this guy and see if I'm allowed to ride on this area. Hold up, guys. Oh, I can't put this on video. So stay tuned, I guess. Yo! Let me go talk to the construction man. I ask him a few questions about this area. The questions will not be shown part of this video, but hold on, I'll pause it. Okay, well, I didn't get to hear her. And yep, I'll just continue riding on the dirt, holding the tablet in my hand. Oh, I'm gonna get away from that bulldozer. There's a stick on the ground too. I want to ask her a few questions, but I don't think I can do that at the moment. So I'm gonna give her next. Hold up a minute. So we're gonna. I don't know. I just wanted to go out on the dirt and stuff. So I'm gonna do it because the construction people are not paying attention anyway. So, yep. Let's get going. So recently I ran out of Xbox Gold. And I play GTA Online and Fortnite. Sometimes I play Apex. I suck at Apex and I suck at Fortnite as well. But I'm good at GTA Online. So I need gold. I'm almost level 100. I'm at level 70 or 80. So, and there's people around here. And there's, look at that. So yep, I'm riding a bike that's broken because one time I was angry. I threw the bike over. Can't remember what it really is about, but You know, don't matter. And those for you. Oh, there's a hill. I love going down this. Whoop! So I might go down it one more time. Let's go around it one more time, alright? Might fall in this video. I'm posting this on YouTube. So yeah, well, let's just get to it. You know? I'm gonna go down that hill because it was fun and I loved it. So yeah, so I'm gonna put this camera at another angle so y'all can see it. So hold up. Got it. Let's do it again. I'm gonna go a little faster this time. Hopefully I can. Okay. I forgot to pause it, but you know what? Don't matter. Let's just go. Next thing I want to do is, you know what? We're gonna go straight home. That was fun. And I'm gonna go put this back, upload, and then just ride on my own. So if y'all want to see more videos, put the comments down below. Even though my channel's not that big, but my Super Mario Star has 1,100 views, 1,100 views and 31 subscribers. Let's get this. Come on, let's get the channel up. Subscribe to Corey Boner and Super Mario Star, and I'm gonna be releasing more plush videos very, very soon. And also, I don't know, I messed up on my Twitter account, so yep. So no more Twitter for me, but you'll see me on YouTube a lot. I might get an Instagram if I know how to use. I gotta ask. You know, it don't matter. Anyway, so guys, I'll see you in the next video, and goodbye.